Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of then. On Uber app, you will click on settings. In this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Uber app and you can click. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You can search about Uber app. You can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.